Keeping your tent clean is important, both when you're out on a trip and when you've finished using it. After a trip, it's a good idea to set up your tent and then clean it with a sponge and lukewarm water. We do not recommend using any cleaning products unless it's absolutely necessary, in which case you can use a very mild soap. It is also very important to take a small brush and really brush the zippers so that there's no sand or grit left in the teeth. Sand in the zippers can wear down the sliders and prevent them from working properly. On longer trips, and especially in sandy areas, we strongly recommend doing this on a daily basis. Check and make sure that neither the pole sections nor the shock cord in your poles have any damage. Do any repairs that might be needed. Clean and scrub the pegs in warm water, then let them dry before putting them away. If the tent is very dirty and dusty, we usually put it in a big tub of water and let it soak there for a while, an hour or so, periodically moving it around in the tub. This usually helps to take care of more stubborn dust and dirt. Never put your tent in the washer or dryer. After you clean it, make sure the tent is completely dry before packing it away. Ideally, hang it up inside with the poles in it. If there's no space for that, just make sure that it hangs long enough and that you rotate it so that it is completely dry between all the layers. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us.